My name is Nkem, Nweke, and I'm an advisor within the Accelerate Africa program. It's been an interesting time with wonderful founders who have great innovative ideas. The questions that they ask, the insights that they want to get has been a learning experience personally for me. But I like the fact that they are raw. They want their idea or the product they are pushing to the market to be the best, as it were. And you see that basically in the quality of the questions that they ask. Sometimes we end up bantering on, which side to go, whether it's left or right. But I kind of believe that's the healthy conversations that we should have. And if you consider the fact that founders are, people who have young and very passionate ideas, one of the things we see in the industry is that sometimes they don't have the right product management background that they should. And that's why the Accelerate Africa program is interesting because, you have people from different organizations who have run product-led organizations who now come to say, these are the steps that you take. The danger, again, is that most founders will move from idea down to, using technology to either build an app or the rest. But the key is, who are you building this for? Who are these customers? What's the validation that you've done? And what are the feedback mechanisms that you put back into your product to make sure that, you're building a human-centered product? This, I think, is the difference that will make the product that, a founder has long-lasting and impactful. And I think in this couple of weeks that I've spent with the founders, listening to their ideas, we've been able to help them bring it to a level where hopefully by the time you hear about it, you would be impressed as well. So very big thank you to the Accelerate Africa team for inviting me to be part of this. And I hope that in the future, as you see these products, you'd be proud of them as well. Thank you very much.